Welcome to ET48 channel. Today we're going to be linking 50 caliber ammo. And please like and subscribe and leave a comment down below.
Okay, so what we've got here is a linker delinker, Army surplus, and we're going to be linking 50 caliber cartridges. Here we have our M9 belt links, and she's showing a comparison between a 5.56 and a 50 caliber cartridge. It's pretty funny, the difference. Okay, so the instructions they give you on the links is to feed the double loop first. So go ahead and pick one up. And what are we looking for? We're going to do the double loop first, and we're looking at the small end to be towards the end of the linker. Okay, so go ahead and start stacking them up. Yep. Just like that. And one more. Yep. Perfect. Okay, so now go ahead and start setting the cartridges in place. So today we're linking inert cartridges. They don't have primers or gunpowder in them. Yep, that's fine.
And did you know that these bullets can also be shot in one of the trucks that Ethan has?
Yep. Okay, so to link these, you purely push down on the transfer bar, and it'll push against the cartridges and link them. Another thing that you can do with this linker delinker, to delink, this transfer bar comes down and grabs the end of the cartridge, and if you pull back on the lever, it'll pull the cartridges back.
Hey, maybe, except it's gonna grab these two.
Yeah, I just didn't grab those two. Okay, so let's go ahead and link them. Go all the way until it stops. Go all the way. Keep going. Okay, that's good. Okay, so now we have a linked ammo belt of 50 caliber. Awesome.